How do remote islands in the middle of nowhere have electricity and clean running water? The answer? Paragraph 1. Remote islands in the middle of nowhere can have electricity and clean running water through the use of renewable energy sources. Solar energy is a popular option for powering remote islands due to its availability and low-cost installation. Solar panels can be installed on the island to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. This electricity can then be used to power lights, appliances, and other devices. Paragraph 2. Wind energy is another option for powering remote islands. Wind turbines can be installed on the island to capture the wind's energy and convert it into electricity. This electricity can then be used to power lights, appliances, and other devices. Wind turbines are typically more expensive to install than solar panels, but they can generate more electricity over time. Paragraph 3. Water can be supplied to remote islands through the use of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected from the roofs of buildings and stored in tanks. This water can then be used for drinking, washing, and other purposes. Rainwater harvesting is a cost-effective way to provide clean running water to remote islands. Paragraph 4. Desalination is another option for providing clean running water to remote islands. Desalination plants use reverse osmosis to remove salt and other impurities from seawater, producing clean drinking water. Desalination plants are expensive to install and operate, but they are a reliable source of clean drinking water for remote islands. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains.